Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we want to present about network topologies. The issue is effective network topology for campus or university area network. My name is Nur Shazani binti Johari. My matric number 1181655. The intro to the issue. Network topology refers to the manner in which the links and nodes of a network are arranged to relate to each other. Physical network topology includes star, mesh tree, ring, point-to-point, circular, hybrid, and bus topology network, each consisting of different configuration of nodes and links. The right choice for network topologies will bring the most effective performance in the network area. Thus, in this topic, we will discuss about the most effective network topology for campus or university area network. Why we choose the issue? Because we would like to highlight what is the type of route that can apply commonly in campus area, which is the best type of topology for an effective network in campus area. Why should every campus or education institution must have an effective networking? What is benefit if we get the correct and suitable type of network for our user? Why? And the last one, why it is very important for us to choose the best of network. The objective of this study to define the network topology and its type, to discuss the hybrid topology as the best network topology that's suitable to campus or university network area, to explain the reason why the hybrid topology is suitable for campus university area network, to describe the example of hybrid topology that's suitable use for campus area network, to compare the advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hidayah binti Abu Seman. My matric number is 1181667. Okay, now let's proceed to the finding on the issue. There are 4 sections in this topic. First, 4.1, what type is effective for the university area network? 4.2, reason hybrid topology the most effective for campus university area network. 4.3, examples of hybrid topology. And 4.4, advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. Okay, first, what type is effective for campus university area network? Hybrid topology is the most suitable to be used for campus or university area network. Hybrid topology is an integration of 2 or more basic topologies to form an effective topology which has many advantages, also the disadvantages, and functioning as the required. It forms of all the constituent basic topology rather than having characteristic of one specific only, meaning that this combination of topologies is done according to the requirement of the university. Then, reason why hybrid topology the most effective for campus or university area network. First, campus university requires a complex connection and complex networking system. So, hybrid topology provide the right function that university required, such as administration management, learning system, such as we use schools in USIM, and other important division. Second, effective cost, which is still affordable within the excellent performance. But before we implement this topology, we must survey and see the budget before we implement this topology. Third is the adaptability and flexibility of the network, offer the user to create, run, and manage the organization smoothly. These the examples of common hybrid topology. First is star-wired ring topology. In this topology. A set of star topologies are connected by a ring topology. Here we can see the hub as the main ring topology, and then the star around the hub is the star topology that interconnected from the hub.
Bismillah, my name is Aini Alia, 11816774. Earlier we was talking about example of common hybrid topology part 1. In this time we will talking another example of hybrid topologies, which is a star wire bus topology. A star wire bus topology is made up of a set of star topology interconnected by a central bus topology. Join its star topology to the bus topology is a wire connection. The main bus topology provide a backbone interconnect the individual stars topologies, and the backbone is the case of wire connection. Next, advantage and disadvantage of hybrid topology. Okay, you have to understand that everything in this world have the advantage and disadvantage itself. Okay, first let's take a look to advantage of hybrid topologies. Okay, first, reliable as fault detection and troubleshooting more easier in this type of topologies. Second, flexible because it can be designed according to the requirement. Three, scalable as easy to increase the size of network by adding new component without disturbing existing architecture. Okay, this is very best about hybrid topologies. And for effective because we can design it in such a way that range of constituent topologies as maximized. Okay, let's take a look to the disadvantage of hybrid topologies. First, complexity of design, as it not easy to design this type of architecture and it is tough job for designer. And secondly, quite expensive in designing and establishing the architecture. Okay, it's quite expensive and it also a complexity design. This is two things that everyone have to understand, have to make a confirmation if he or she want to use a hybrid topologies. Now let's take a look to the observation. Okay, observation and insight about this finding. Okay, in this research, we found that our goals and result of this issue means that we want to find what is the effective network for an area campus or an institute education area, and we found the answers. Second, why hybrid topology has been chosen. Okay, why we choose it? Why we not choose match topology or maybe bus or star? Okay, we have stated the reason why in earlier of this presentation why we choose hybrid topology. And lastly, what is the best type of network needed based on their ability? So if we want to decide some network match or suitable, we have to know what is the requirement and what is the component that match to our requirement of network. It's very important, okay, for us. And after that, we want to suggest or advise to other. First, what we want everyone before decide which is the best network, we have to understand and clarify the purpose of our user. Okay, we have to know what is our target place and what is our type of network that we want to use. Second, find the right network that match with the root of networking connection or device to be applied as our requirement. Okay, if we know what is the type, we can revise or we can search what is the requirement that we want available with the type network that have. Okay, we just observe the detail of every type of network, and if it was suitable or it was correct with our requirement, we just choose the networking. Okay, lastly, prepare with the maintenance cost of the network. Okay, if we have a large or high budget, we choose a type of networking that need a large budget, large maintenance. If we don't have any budget, we don't choose a type, or we don't choose an expensive type of networking. Okay, just, do you understand? We don't have to choose networking that have to give many maintenance to it. We just choose the budget that available with our need. And lastly, conclusion. Okay, conclusion for this issue is: one, hybrid topologies is an integration of two or more basic different topologies. Instead of having feature of one particular topologies, it consisted of all the constituent basic topologies. This mixture of topologies is performed according to the university's specification, because we need topologies that use in effective area. Because we need topologies that can be effective when used in campus or university area. So we choose that this hybrid was state the type that we want, the requirement that we need. This hybrid topologies is available, have the type that we need. However, this topology still inherits the advantage and disadvantage of included topologies. For example, when using star topologies, the advantage and disadvantage of star topology will be inherited in this hybrid topology. Mean that when we choose the star topologies as a basic for a hybrid topology, so everything that disadvantage or advantage of star topology will be heritage to the hybrid of topology. It will bring the same. The hybrid will bring the same owner that it's copy. And lastly, in a nutshell, the most suitable and effective topologies for campus or university area network is hybrid topologies. Okay, next. This is the end of our presentation. Hopefully, it will enhance our knowledge about network topologies topic. And me and my group member want to apologize if we have made a misspoken or mistake while presenting this topic. And if you have any addition information, just let us know. Thank you for watching and listening our video. Jazakallahu khairan jazak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.